So allow yourself to breathe naturally through your nose and release tension. Okay, in. Put your hands up and your left leg up. Okay, and breathe out. You open your palms, stretch your palms, and stretch your left legs at the same time. Okay, to raise up your energy of freedom and stretch your body. Okay, in right leg. To keep your own balance. Move your hands backwards. Breathe out, move your hand forward, look down to the earth. Okay, breathe in, move your hands up and open. And out, cross your palms, face your palms up, and you look down to your toes, okay, your left toes. So when you have some wounds, some sickness, pain in your body, so it's wonderful to allow yourself to naturally have a time to heal and to rest and to balance itself. You know, you find a time to eat, find a time to rest, find a time to breathe, find a time to relax, and suddenly your bodies feel like they have a space to heal. Okay, and that's the power that we forget from our body. Our body has power to heal itself, balance itself, rest and relax itself. But sometimes we struggling too much. We have much tensions and a lot of stress, and that we lose that balance. We come back to ourselves to practice even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, to allow yourself to strengthen the body, strengthen our spine and our upper back, but at the same time to just do stretching, help your body to be more flexible. So today we have morning Qigong stretching for balance. So let us enjoy our. So the first movement today we do is the buffalo. Okay, so you may do with the left leg first. Hold stand in the left. Breathe in, you push your hand forward to the left and drop. Breathe out, you open your shoulders, your palms, your arms. Okay, in. Out. So allow yourself to breathe naturally through your nose and release tension. Okay, in. Let it go of tension from your shoulders. Out. Out. Do reverse from your under your chest from here. In. Look down to the earth and then come back. Out. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. Return to the right leg. In. Drop your hands, open your palms and your arms. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Open your heart to enjoy the nature. Open your lungs to breathe in, out. Feel your palms, feel your chest. In, out. Do reverse. In, out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale, slow, bring your mind back to the body. In the here and now. Allow yourself to relax the whole body. Next movement we call the grid, okay? Breathe in, put your hands up and your left leg up, okay? And breathe out, you open your palms, stretch your palms, and stretch your left legs at the same time, okay? To raise up your energy of freedom and stretch your body, okay? In, right leg. To keep your own balance. Relax the body, be mindful with your movement, and then you keep your own balance. In. It's so wonderful to stand by one leg. You feel that you can do it, and you feel so happy. In. Relax your palms, shoulders. In. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. One more time for the right leg. In, out. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Relax the body. Release tensions, stress from the body. Allow yourself to rest. Allow yourself to breathe in and out with the energy of love and peace. Okay, so the next movements we call the butterfly. Okay, I love this movement because these movements can help yourself to make your spine, your back feel great. So we can do from the left leg first. Hold stance to the left. Okay, breathe in, move your hands backwards. Breathe out, move your hand forward, look down to the earth. Okay, breathe in, move your hands up and open, and out. Cross your palms, face your palms up, and you look down to your toes. Okay, your left toes. Bend your back in this way. Inhale, you move your right leg up. Okay, your hands ready from your hips. Out, you stretch your hands and your right leg at the same time. And in, move hand up, open, and out. Cross your hands and look down to the toes. Okay, in, keep your own balance. Okay, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. We turn to the right side. Right leg will be in front, okay? Will be into the right. Breathe in, move your hands back. Breathe out, move your hand forward. In, move your hand up. Open. And out. Cross your palms together. Look down to the right toes, okay? In, left leg up. Out, move forward. Stretch your leg and your hands. In, up, open, out. Breathe in, out, stretch. In, hands up and open. Out, cross out your palms, look down to your right toes. In, out, in, out. One more time, in, in, out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep, out, slow. Bring your mind back to the body.